So guys, this is my new room again. Lumipat ako sa other room, which is the same building. So, yan. Maganda siya guys. Mas malawak. Bathroom. Ayan siya guys. Yan. Oh, may rep pa yan. May sleepers pa sila. Yan. And then, yan. Ganyan din guys, oh. The bed was okay. It's beautiful. That's it. Cool din. This is your veranda niya guys. Ang veranda niya is maganda din siya. Oh, di ba? I should do it like this. Oh. It's nice.